back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today we are in between a proper jungle, and this is the trail that we're trying to come. It's a recce me and NKK are doing, so that's the bike, Hermes and X-Pugs, and this has been one extreme hell of a trail, and one of the most toughest trails so far we've done, me and Kirtan. And special thing is, just check this out, what we have here. This is an elephant dunk. And for all you know, there are elephants in this particular jungle, and there's a river body. So elephants come here to drink water, and that's what we are. So stay tuned to watch this video. There are going to be some crazy trails and some crazy, amazing, epic falls on Hermes. So you don't want to miss that. I'll see you right after this intro video when I start my trail. This is quite nice and steep.
Sand surface. Right brake call exited.
It is quite a steep trail, and to add on to this, the surface is sandy surface or more of a muddy surface mixed with a lot of rocky bit. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಡಬಲ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. So let's see what we've got today to explore. It's a quite a steep one, yeah. Quite a steep one. And good that I reduced my tire pressure just before coming here. Because it was bouncing a lot, so I had to reduce the tire pressure. So this is a little extreme off-road because you have a lot of loose soil, and a combination of that with a lot of rocks, and these are broken rocks like this. So yeah, it's really hard, really hard. It looks like deep travel here because you see tire marks. See that? You can see the tire marks. It looks like a jeep has just traveled a little while ago. And this continues to just keep climbing. This is more like an incline itself. The throughout that we've done now is just an inclination. Yeah. So my big stand just hit the surface. We really need a good experience. Next time, Apache has hit the ground so far of all the offerings that we have. It's doing again and again. Any of the trails that we've done so far, no one has issue do with the ground clearance, but here I did. It hit twice, and this is quite an extreme one. This is like directly climbing mountain itself. And we really don't know where this road goes, whatever it is, we just move through what we found. And we just wanted to explore it. And that's why we've come to do a recce of this place. And in fact, GoPro does not justify the difficulty level what this is, because it does not justify the kind of inclination you have. It just does not justify terrain and all those things. But then once you come here and you ride, you actually realize how tough is the terrain. This side of the hill, so let's see what we get now. It's more from the muddy part, or hard, not too much of a boulder or rocky surface. This is easy, this is not too much of a task. So there's this car which has gone down. I don't know where it can go. Hello?
Reise forest.
Hey, welcome back, bro. ಯಾನೆನ್ನಿ ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೈಟ್ ಜೊತೆಂದವರಂದು ಅಂತ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡು then I just saw the marks, the tire marks were not there. Only Jeep tire marks were there, so I didn't go to kind of listen. Dude, this is crazy, dude. Actually up bartu ನಾವು we'll stop here, take one photo. This is nice. Come here, we'll take a photo. So let's quickly take a photo. saying really bad. I mean it, because